Okay, so we're going to be changing out that faucet. My wife called a plumber in to look at two toilets, get a quote to replace them, and also do this shower faucet. They wanted $90 to take off this faucet. This house was built in 2017, so it's a new faucet, but she wants one that you could pull off and, you know, could come down on a cord and all that. They wanted $90. Just to take that off and put this new one on. This is the new one. The package is upside down. Here's the tools that I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. My wife was trying to help me out because I got a hip surgery coming up, so she called a plumber, but this is stuff that I could do. It's very easy. I've done it before, not a big deal. Here's the only tools you really need, okay? And I'm not a professional, but I've done this a lot. We've done a lot of flips, a lot of commercial buildings, rentals, and stuff that we've owned. And I've learned there's a way to do this stuff. So these are the tools you need, that I need, okay? Got my little cutter that I use to open anything. Crescent wrench. Channel or vise, whatever they're called. And then your parts, your instructions. And then I put this stuff over there just in case I need it. The reason why I need two different wrenches is the one that's up on the shower is squared, where it has like a lock nut on it that this fits. The one that we're putting on does not. It's different. Actually, I might not need the vice grips for it, but I always have it. I also washcloth. Reason for the washcloth is you throw it on there so you don't damage what you're taking off, okay? Let me set this up here. Let's try to do this where it doesn't fall. Okay, so the reason why I do the washcloth is I put it over the chrome piece, put this on there, break it loose, then untwist the head faucet or the shower head. It's really quick. Once you get it on there, then you tighten it up for it to there we go. That was it. And now we spin it to get it off. Look how quick that was. Okay, so what I did is, as you can see, so this will fit on there, right? So what I do is I take this, loosen up the crescent wrench, put it on there. That way I don't damage it if I want to use it again. If you're not cranking too hard, it probably won't damage it, but I like to do that just in case. Okay, that's it. Simple, right? Took it off very simply. Now, first thing I need to do is install the new connector piece. And since this blue tape is pretty good because it's pretty new, see how this has just got a small indentation, but it's plastic? That's where I'm going to use the vice grips to give it a good little tightness with the cloth. Okay, always go left for loosening and right for tightening. Okay, I'm going to hand do it at first. Okay, and you'll know you're good because the tape pretty much disappears. Okay, that pretty much is where, and see, I can pretty much turn that too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the wrench, give it a little crank down. It'd be so much easier if I had somebody holding the camera for me. I hold this so that doesn't turn. And it's still turning. Okay, so I'm going to turn that. Shoot. Okay, that should be tight enough. Now I'm going to get the other pieces. Okay. Okay, this is the hose. Some people will connect it before the instructions says to do it this way. I like doing it this way anyways because you're basically going to just hand tighten these anyways. And it's pretty easy. I always do that first and then I do the connection. Remember, to the right is to tighten, to the left is to loosen it. And all you got to do is hand tight, bring it down, connect it. Now the female end, no, I did not ask this what its pronouns are, but I'm going to assume the one sticking out is the male end and this is the female end because there's nothing there. I don't know what to call it other than that, so sorry. Okay. All right. We are done. That is it. Look how quick that was. All right, now I'm going to turn it on. I'm looking for leaks here. See how when I use the, without the cloth, it did a little bit of scratch there. That's why I use the cloth, especially on plastic. But I'm looking for leaks. I don't have any leaks. Bring it down. Click it to make sure everything works. Okay, and it does. That's it, guys. I just saved myself 90 bucks. You could too save yourself 90 bucks. And if you're taking off a head that's actually in good shape and it's pretty much new, save it because either you could use it down the road or you have another project or another rental or house that you get that has a bad one and you can put this on temporarily, or maybe this is all you need. There's ways to save money and not just throw it away. Every time you do a replacement, to have somebody come out and do it, they're going to charge you the fee for the labor, then the cost for the item. This item was about 40. They go anywhere from 40 to 90 bucks to 100 something dollars, depending on what style you get. Okay, this was about 40 to 50 bucks. Don't know how much this thing is, maybe 30. The one that we had that didn't work, that, you know, was great, but it just didn't fit because of the dimensions of the shower and angles. That was like 90 to 100 bucks. But it didn't really work. So I took it down, reinstalled it. I saved myself almost $100 just doing that. Guys, we're at 9 minutes right now. That took me less than 10 minutes. Okay? I'm sorry, plumbers. I'm sorry, guys, if I'm taking your money, but guys, we're going into a recession. We're going into times that you can save yourself money. You don't have to pay people to do this for you. It's pretty simple. If I can do it, you can do it. All right. I hope you guys liked this video. I'm going to do one of replacing my 2 toilets. I'm going to show you one toilet, and then I'll show you how to bring them up and, you know, recommendations on how to do it yourself, by yourself, and show that you can do it. Okay. All right. This is Scott on Scott's Life or Clark's Life. I hope you guys liked the video and let me know what you think.